sports and recreations. In this video, we will learn some sports and other recreational activities with play, go, or do. These three verbs will help you talk about your favorite sports and your free time activities. Let's begin with some sports and recreational vocabularies. Aerobics, archery, badminton, baseball, basketball, football or soccer, golf, gymnastics, horseback riding, ice hockey, ice skating, judo, mountain biking, skateboarding, skiing, snowboarding, swimming, Tennis. Track. Volleyball. Yoga. Use verb play, go, or do to talk about your sports and other recreational activities. Use play for team sports or sports played with the ball. Use play with competitive games like football, baseball, basketball, tennis, hockey, volleyball, archery, soccer, badminton, golf. For example, I play football with my friends. I play ice hockey in the fall. They play basketball in the park. We play volleyball after school. Use go for sports that end in ing, like skiing, swimming, climbing, diving, fishing, running, jogging, skating. For example, we go swimming in summer. My brothers go skateboarding in the street. I go horseback riding in the country. We go skiing in the winter. Use do with solo activity. Use do with sports that you don't need any equipment to do, like aerobics, martial arts like judo or karate, yoga, gymnastics. For example, Dave and Sam do aerobics at the gym. They do gymnastics in their free time. Carlo and Miko do judo at the gym. I do yoga every week. However, when you're talking about another person, use the verb does. For example, Carlo does yoga. My friend does gymnastics. Alright, that's all for today. See you on the next video about this lesson.